Hi guys, in this video you will learn how to use tactical insertions in your advantage in COD Warzone Mobile. Well, to do that, choose strategic locations. Always place your tactical insertion in strategic spots like near objectives or high ground to give yourself a tactical advantage. Rotate frequently. Don't stay in one spot for too long. Rotate your tactical insertions to keep your enemies guessing and prevent them from predicting your movements. Use as a distraction. Place tactical insertion in one location while flanked from another direction. This creates a diversion, allowing you to catch your enemies off guard. Combine with UAV. Coordinate with your team and use UAVs to locate enemy positions. Then, strategically place your tactical insertion to capitalize on this information. Counter enemy spawn traps. If you notice your team's getting spawn trapped, use tactical insertion to break free and regain control of the map. Watch your back. Always be mindful of enemy spawn points when placing your tactical insertion. The last thing you want is to spawn right in front of an enemy's line of fire. Coordinate with your teammates. Communicate with your teammates and coordinate the placement of tactical insertions to maximize your team's effectiveness on the battlefield. Use as flanking tools. Place your tactical insertion behind enemy lines to set up flanking maneuvers and catch your opponents by surprise. Utilize cover. When placing your tactical insertion, try to find cover nearby to protect yourself as you respawn. Adapt to the situation. Be flexible with your tactical insertion placements based on the flow of the game. Adjust your strategy as needed to stay one step ahead of the competition. Control high traffic areas. Place tactical insertions in areas with high enemy traffic to capitalize on the chaos and rack up kills. Stay mobile. Don't become too reliant on one tactical insertion spot. Keep moving and adapting to maintain the element of surprise. Use as distress signal. If you have yourself in a tight spot, use your tactical insertion as a distress signal for your teammates to come to your aid. And that's how to use tactical insertions to your advantage in COD Warzone Mobile. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.